is for frog, F is for fish, fa, fa, fa. G is for goat, G is for gate, ga, ga, ga. H is for hat, H is for house, huh, huh, huh. Let's all sing the letter sounds together, growing smarter every day. With a joyful tune and clapping hands, we can learn and laugh our way. I is for igloo, I is for ink, E, E, E. J is for jam, J is for jump, ja, ja, ja. K is for kite, K is for king, k, k, k. L is for lion, L is for leaf,